The RBM2500 PRO Welder by Reboot showcases advanced soft start technology, effectively reducing inrush current and extending the lifespan of its components. This versatile welding machine offers a robust 250 amp output, capable of handling both steel and aluminum with ease across 8 different welding processes. It features dual voltage flexibility, allowing it to operate on both 110-volt household outlets and 220-volt workshop power, ensuring consistent performance. The comprehensive welding package includes essential accessories such as a MIG torch, ground clamp, and electrode holder, though the lift, TIG torch, and spool gun are available separately. Pre-installed wire feed wheels and additional rollers make this welder adaptable for various welding needs, accommodating different wire sizes. Both novice and experienced welders will appreciate the synergic and manual MIG settings, which offer customizable options and ease of use.